Hello, grade 2. Welcome to our PE and computer class. So for our PE, we are gonna be learning about force. Okay, so what is force? It's like in our science, right? So force refers to the effort or tension you make when moving. So these movements compare that if your force is strong, stronger, or strongest. So these movements are heavy. If your movements are heavy, forceful, and intense. Also, there are some movements compared as light, lighter, and lightest. And these movements are easy, weak, or slight. Okay, so again, what is the meaning of force? It refers to the effort or how you make when or tension when you make a moving. How what effort you are doing. Is it strong or just a light movement? Okay, so we have a strong movements. These are heavy, forceful, and intense. We have also a light movement. These are weak and easy and light. All right, so these are the examples of easy movements. So we have the bending, okay, walking, twisting, just sitting, and arm circling. So these are the easy, weak, or slight movement. What about the heavy, forceful, and intense? So we have here running, right? You are doing more force when you're running. Stomping your feet, jump. Okay, also running, jumping, and leaping. So these are the heavy, forceful, and intense movements. Again, let's review what are the light movements or the easy and weak. We have the bending, walking, twisting, sitting, and arm circling. What about the forceful, the heavy, and intense? We have running, stomping, jumping, and leaping. Okay, so let's repeat again. What is force? It refers to the effort or tension you make when moving. And we can also describe movements as strong, stronger, and strongest. And if they are heavy, these movements are heavy, forceful, and intense. Okay, movements can also be compared as light, lighter, and lightest. And these movements are easy, weak, or slight. Okay, so now please get your book, your MAPE book, open it on page 288. So if you are ready, let's proceed. If you are not yet ready, you can pause the video. So the letter B, page 288, we are going to answer the letter B, yes or no. Answer it with a yes or a no. Number 1, you use less force when you do light movements. Yes or no? Next, number 2, you use more force when you do strong movements or heavy movements. Yes or no? Next, number 3, when you are sliding, you are doing a strong movement. Is it yes or a no? Next, number 4, when you gallop, you do light movements when you gallop. Like a horse, is it light movements? Yes or a no? And number 5, jumping involves heavy movements. Is it yes or a no? So if you are not yet done, you can pause the video. Those who are done, please proceed. Open your book on page 291. Open it on page 291. So here you are going to what? Circle the correct word that will complete each sentence. So let's proceed. Number 1, walking is a lighter or stronger movement than running. Walking is a lighter, stronger movement than running. So which one is correct? Lighter or stronger? Next, number 2, jumping high, dancing ballet, swaying hands is the strongest movement of the 3. So which one is the strongest movement? Is it jumping high, dancing ballet, or swaying hands? Which one is the strongest? Next, number 3, running, sliding is a light movement. I will repeat, running, sliding is a light movement. So which one is a light movement? Is it running or sliding? Blank movements are strong movements. Is it easy movements or intense movements? What movements are strong movements? Is it easy or intense? Please circle your answer. Next, let's proceed to number 5. When you compare movements, the activity in which you exerted least force is the blank, the lightest or the strongest movement. When you are doing a least or least force, is it lightest or strongest movement? So if you are not yet done, you can pause the video. Those who are done, let's proceed to our, what's this? To our computer. So for our computer, still in our start menu, we are going to learn how to pin and unpin a program in the start menu. So the first one is we need to click the start button. That's the first step. And then after that, we are going to click the all apps and then point the mouse pointer to the calculator program or any program and then right click the mouse. Choose pin to start. So when you choose pin to start, when you click the start menu, you can see in the program that you click pin to start. So for example, this one, click the start menu. And then all programs, so we have there the calculator, example only. So, but you can use any program that you want to put in your how to pin and unpin, okay? And then there, pin to start, okay? And then after that, you can see now, okay? So let me show it to you how to do it. Okay, now, so let me show you how to pin and unpin a program to the start menu. So the first one is this. So click the all apps. And then for example, yeah, we are going to use the calculator. And then it says here, pin to start. And then click it. And then when we open our start menu there, the calculator, we can see now the calculator here. Right? Oh, where's the calculator? Here. Okay, so this is now the calculator. So how to unpin? So how to remove? Okay, so again, click, right click, and then unpin from the start, and it's gone. Okay, again, so let's do it again. So look, so we are going to choose calculator, click the right click to the calculator and pin to start. There. Okay, how to unpin? Right click again and click unpin from start. All right? Okay, so that's all for our unpinning and unpinning the program to the start menu. Okay, so please open your computer book and open it on page 124. Get your computer book and open it on page 124. We are going to answer letter B, pin and unpin a program in the start menu. Okay, so let's start. So here you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is the first step in pinning the program in the start menu? Right, okay. Is it choose the program you want to unpin and then pin to the start menu? On the start menu, choose all apps and then right click the mouse pointing to the program, then choose pin to start and then click the start button. So which one is the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, and then the number 4? Okay, if you are if you are not yet done, you can pause the video. So those who are done, for your computer, what's this? For your performance task, you are going to take a video while you are doing pinning a program in the start menu. And then pass it on or before March 31, 2022. Okay po? So your performance task, pinning a program in the start menu video. Okay? So we pass it on or before March 31, 2022. Okay, for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of MAPE, pages 220, 288 and 291. And of course, your computer page 124. Then send it in our class dojo. That's all, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye.